Good morning from JNN. Kawawa naman ito si Catherine. She's got new puppies. Hindi siguro nakakakain ng maigi. Observe her, please. I cannot go near her kay naano siya na umaalis pag hindi niya matatapos yung kanyang food. So kagabi, hindi na rin naman yata ito nakakain. Ayun, umalis na. Bakit kaya siya, sino kayang inaano nito, hinihintay? Good morning from JNN. It is a very cool morning. Thank you po, Jesus. Ang ganda-ganda ngayon ng magandang aking orchids. I think I have to put this inside now. Kasi ang ganda-ganda niya. Tignan nyo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Walang yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,